Welcome to yet another tutorial. My name is Carolina and today I want to show you how to make a maxi version of my new sewing pattern called Grace. You can buy this pattern from my shop on Etsy and I'll leave link in the description if you want to check it out. For this tutorial I'll add interfacing to all of the bodice panels. Looking back now, I should have actually used a thinner interfacing, but you can just learn from my mistakes. So to start, pin together the front panels and sew them together with a 1 cm seam allowance. Trim the seam allowance and make a small cut on the curved edge. Then press the seam open. Moving on to the back, sew the back panels together and press the seam open. Join the back and front pieces together on the sides. Repeat all the same steps with the lining panels and pin them together on the neckline. Sew the bodice panels together, leaving the strap ends open. Take your time here to create that curved, smooth stitch line. Trim the seam allowance, but be careful not to cut the stitch line, and make a small notches on the corners to release any tension or pulling from the fabric. Then back out the bodice to the right side. Press the straps with the seam open and then again on the fold. Overlock all the raw edges of the bodies. Moving to the skirt, pin the front and back panels together and sew them with 1 centimeter seam allowance.
Oh, shut up, shut up. Such a dumb dummy. It's almost funny. Oh, shut up, shut up. Such a dumb dummy. It's almost funny. Although I cry myself to sleep, although I know you're bad for me, I have to lay my hands on this bag you.
Press all the seams of the skirt, then pin the bodice to the skirt. Make sure that the side edges align together. Working with satin is always challenging, but this fabric was extremely difficult. I feel like you can see every imperfection with a magnifying glass. Next, we need to sew the invisible zip to the dress. The zip should start at the neckline edge. Change to your zipper foot and sew the zip to the seam. As I didn't have a matching color zipper, I'll go over the zip once again to stitch it super close and make it as invisible as I can. Then sew the rest of the back seam together and repeat the same steps with the other side of the zip. Fold the lining panel over the zip, pushing the end to the side, and pin it down. Then turn the bodice to the other side and sew the lining to the zip, following the previous stitch line. And do the same on the other side. Trim the corners and back out the bodice to the right side. Use scissors to make the corners nice and pointy. To finish off the straps, I'll use an invisible stitch technique. To finish up the hem, fold it once and top stitch, then fold it again and top stitch following the previous stitch line. And that's it, your perfect Grace dress. Thank you for watching.